We are in Mendocino County today, just east of Ukiah, and we're doing mostly bin delivery, but we're in our Chenin Blanc block, and though we picked about a week and a half ago, there's a tiny bit left over we're gonna bring in to kind of bit of a sweat here. We're going up and down the terraces at Fred and Dora's vineyard for our Petite Sirah and taking a little sample. This stuff is going to come off on Saturday morning and it tastes incredible. We are in Redwood Valley, about 10 miles north of our Chenin Blanc, still in Mendocino County. And this is Rosewood Vineyard, and these are approximately 90-year-old dry farm Mourvèdre vines. Like everything right now, this fruit is just, and the yields look pretty good too. So I think we should be able to vineyard designate this year, which is something we can't do every year due to the low yields. Yeah, that is kind of mind-blowing. Every year we get to work with that fruit. It's really special. And when we have both a quality like that and actually decent yields, it's hard to put into words. So for those that have not had our Rosewood Mourvèdre before, and it's probably a lot of you because we only make about 50 cases a year, what makes that special is it has really incredible bright red, like fresh young fruits, but with old vine sap and concentration.